This year, Gas Safety Week will be taking place from the 8th to the 14th of September. The theme for 2025 is looking after your home, friends and family, as everyone has a role to play in keeping the nation gas safe. So, how well do you know your gas safety? This one's a myth. Skipping your annual boiler service could put your family at risk and lead to costly breakdowns. Fact: our gas safe engineers check for leaks, efficiency and safety every time. This one's wrong. Every home that has gas appliances should have a working carbon monoxide alarm. It could save your life. This is a myth. While older boilers that are serviced regularly and maintained well can work safely and effectively regardless of age, they can become less efficient over time. If your boiler is over 15 years old, it may be time to think about a modern replacement. And with Refresh NI, it's easier than you think. Our talented team of engineers can install your new gas boiler in just one day. This is a fact. Always check that your engineer is Gas Safe registered. It's the law and it helps to keep your family safe. This Gas Safety Week, protect what matters most: your home, friends and family. Book your boiler service or inquire about a replacement today.